bureaus. Yes, Self is going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So they are going to report the first week of the following month. So say if you guys make your monthly payment, not just your $9 sign up payment, when you guys make your monthly payment, they're going to report your payment to the credit bureaus the next month. And then you should see that payment from the 10th to the 15th. You should see that it's updated to the credit bureaus on that date. And that's around that time you should see your credit scores go up. And be happy to, you guys, even if your credit score going up 5 points per month, 6.7 points per month, be happy because it's going to gradually increase as a report to the credit bureaus. Now, we already went over the reporting on this account. This is not that account, you guys. This account is not it. Let me see. I want to show you guys the Self account because they talk about the reporting right here on their website. We went over this previously, but I want to go over it with you guys again if I can find out. I usually go ahead and click on contact at the bottom, and then that's how I can search things on their website. So when would it reveal my credit report? So typically you will see it on your credit report 60 days from your first due date. I always tell people to just keep checking because you may see it sooner. How would the credit bureau show up on my credit report? It's a secure installment loan. But yeah, let's put credit reporting in there. So they're going to report your first payment. And like I said, so they're going to report that first week. They're going to report to the first week of the month. So you guys should see it around the 10th and the 15th. You guys should see it on